Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. And if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, wait, that's not what I say. So, what is this? My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be unboxing the Osprey Daylight Plus pack. I am going to try to go to the Grand Canyon in July, and you won't be seeing this until October timeframe. So anyway, so I'm trying to go to the Grand Canyon in July. We'll see how that works, but I decided to buy myself a brand new pack for it. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. I just cut the tape on this. I just received this in the mail. So we're just gonna be doing an unboxing of this. There's some packaging material. I didn't even bother. So you can see here that this is the pack itself. It's the Osprey Daylight Plus pack. You know, I always like reading online what the Osprey is about. We're just cutting off the plastic here, pulling it out. Okay. So the Daylight Plus pack, as you can see, it's got a couple tags on here. So let's see. This first one says, "Welcome to Osprey Packs. Daylight Plus versatile packs." Why am I saying plaques? Versatile packs with laptop carry and just enough pocketing for travel and everyday use. Everyday use, whether heading to the store, work, or across the globe, Daylight series is the perfect companion. Compatibility, it attaches to a variety of Osprey travel and backpacking bags when extra room is needed. So we'll see about that. I don't have any other Osprey packs to attach this to, but this seems like a very nice day pack. I'm very excited to use this. Again, trying to go to the Grand Canyon, so we'll have to see. I bought this one because I needed something in the middle of all my packs, right? I have the 55 liter, which I've done a video on, the 40 liter, also done a video on. Those are both Kelty packs. Again, none of these people are sponsored, okay? I just like to own different size bags for different occasions, and I was missing a 20 liter. I needed something a little bigger than my 10 liter Camelback, which I take with me absolutely everywhere when hiking. But in this case, I needed something a little bigger to go a true like all-day hike, and especially in the Grand Canyon, I needed something large to fit like my 5 liters of water plus snacks, etc. So I bought a 20 liter pack. That's the Daylight Plus pack. That's what this is. So let's get started on this pack. You can see on the bottom here that I always start at the bottom. I like to feel and make sure that the fabric is very stiff down here, because this is what's going to be making contact with the ground, right? You want to make sure that this fabric is thick. You want to make sure that this fabric is sturdy, right? Because it's going to be making contact constantly with the ground, with rocks, leaning against stuff. You want to make sure that it's very thick on the bottom here. So you can see here that this is very thick padding. And then as we move up the pack, it does look like it's got what I like to call a stuff sack here in the front. So it kind of goes down here the length of this pack. And it also has a little zippered pocket here. Again, not a sponsor, but it's got a little mini zippered pocket to hold different things for you. And then as we move up the pack, usually I like to unclip this so that I can really see the whole pack, right? Because how are you supposed to know how much you can fit if you're not actually looking at it, right? So unclip things when you're in the store looking at packs. Unclip it, see what it's like, unzip all the zippers all the way. Can you get your hand in it? Is it okay to put different things in here, or what can you fit, right? You don't get a good feel if you're just holding the pack out at a distance. Oh yes, this looks good. You really gotta like look at it, touch it, etc. So what is this? Osprey. Oh cool, it comes with like a bright orange clip here. I don't know if you could see this, but there's a little mini pocket here. I'll probably be using this for like trash or whatnot. And it's got 2 bungee pockets here with mesh bungee pockets right here, and a little bright orange clip, probably for emergency stuff if you wanted to keep something emergency like there. And then it just has the main compartments. I'm just gonna unzip this. And this is the 20-liter part of it. So you can see that's a very big compartment, right? I didn't want anything huge. I'm just hiking the Grand Canyon on day hikes, right? Gonna be hiking Hermit's Rest Trail, etc. But I wanted something larger than what I have currently, and that's just the 10-liter. I can barely fit 5 liters of water, and there's no room for snacks or anything else. So I wanted something a little bigger that I can fit more in. And here is the water. So as you can see here, it's nice and padded. This light purple is a padded water bladder holder, basically. And it's got a little clip here to kind of clip it in if you want. And then you can see here that you can actually feed, oh, it's got the water bladder in the back. Oh, it's got, so this must be a laptop pocket then, or whatever they're calling it. But this is just a padded pocket on the inside against your back. And then Osprey is actually well known for doing this. So they like to put the H2O on the back of the pack, right? So they don't put it inside the bag. They like to put it on the outside of the bag. Again, that's fine, especially for short trips or whatnot. For longer trips, I don't like it. So in order to get to the hydration pocket, you have to kind of flip these up in a way, the straps, I mean. You have to flip the straps up and away, and then you can open up the hydration pocket. You can see this is the outside of the pack. You can squeeze the hydration bag down in there, 3 liters, and it does have the hydration bladder clip up here where you can clip it to the top of the bag. So again, this is the outside of the bag. I can actually, there's no other liner in here. I can actually feel the foam on the other side of this. So I expect you to put the hydration bladder there and then possibly additional water in here, which is what I plan on doing. So that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of this. As you can see, it's a small pack. Oh yes, and I forgot to mention about the straps. So the straps here, you can see they're typical Osprey where they have these large holes in them. Again, you know, I find that these don't last very long. These tend to stretch out thin, especially if they have big old holes in here. I mean, just imagine, right? You're tugging on it or you're like resting your arms or whatnot, and yeah, it'll, you know, it starts to stretch out pretty fast. So, and then it's got like a headrest type of thing here. So instead of the straps being connected to the bag, it's got a gap and then like a, you know, a thing that goes around your body at your back, you know? And then it's got nice padding through here. This is very nice mesh, lightweight foam on the inside. And then just a typical belt. It's not padded, as you can see. It's just basically a rope that you attach to your hips. But that's about it. Yeah, oh, and then it's got 2 side pockets as well. People were complaining on my last unboxing of the Osprey 50 liter. I didn't really talk about the side bungee pockets. So here they are. Here's the Osprey side bungee pockets here. They are very typical. And you can see that they are see-through, you know, so you can see my hand in there, if that makes sense. And I just like to keep, again, I reserve one for my phone, usually on the right side because I'm right-handed, and one for like emergency stuff. I usually keep the mace and like the whistle, which is that together thing. So, but anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the Osprey Daylight Plus pack, not a sponsor. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or now on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.